Guys, I got Ray here. I don't know what he's going to say, but he's trying every key he has, so see if it opens this toolbox of mine. He may know how to pick it with some paper clips or something, I don't know. It's a heavy bastard. We're just trying every key. He's had toolboxes like this before, he might have one. It's a smaller key. I ordered keys for it, guys. I should have it next week, but this is just make for a fun video. I think it's one of those 4 or 5 turbo locks or something. That's the end of that chain. It's a big bastard. Stick your post office key in there.
That's too big.
I know, kitty.
That ain't gonna work. That big fat bounce.
Almost.
Almost went in there.
I doubt I broke the mechanism,
No.
because a lot of people jam stuff into those things trying to steal tools.
You didn't break the mechanism.
I wonder if crap-on tools are in there, snap-on. We're running low on keys. He used to have like a canister full of keys he collected over the years.
He is somewhere. Somewhere.
Rainbows.
Rainbow.
That's a good movie though. You know someone synced up Pink Floyd's The Wall up to The Wizard of Oz?
Yeah.
They did that years ago. I watched, someone did it on YouTube. I started watching it. It was pretty clever. Wants to do something. It's wiggling. Sometimes you have to push down on them if they get worn. There's your kitty.
Hi, baby. Where you been?
We got shop kitty here.
Where you been? Huh?
Hey kitty. That cat can smash that box open if it wanted to.
Come on.
Oh kitty.
What are you doing out in the cold? Huh?
Ray's gonna get this kitty to the vent taken in. So one of the people that moved away left it. You can stick your shopper savings card in there, maybe jimmy it. Only people use credit cards to get locks open. Why?
What?
Kitty.
What, baby girl? If you are a girl.
It's gotta be a girl.
I don't think so.
What you doing, kitty? This has got to be from like the 90s or something, because it's a really old key thing down on the line from what the guy had. Huh. I don't know.
She's underneath you. I don't know where she's going.
Where'd kitty go? Oh, it's under me.
What are you doing, baby? What are you doing?
I thought it was a small box by the picture when I saw it. I was, you got it. They had it like in a small sedan, and it was like, holy shit. You had to move the seat up to get it out of there.
What was the guy's name?
I don't want to say it on YouTube. I'll just say like Fat Smith or something.
John Doe?
John Doe, yeah. He said he sold it for beer money.
Probably did.
See what I mean?
No, some people like that.
It's worth a try. Sometimes you can pick them open with paper clips and it's hard.
I don't know about that on these, on this.
Someone told me I should do a screwdriver and a hammer. And then buy a lock.
Buy a lock.
The new one.
Yeah, that'd be.
That is mowed out here, guys.
That'd be perfect.
Look at Kitty up there. Look, the kitty's gonna get Ray's face.
Hi, baby. Kitty, 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 kitty. How you? Good girl.
The place of that tire there.
Got a soft tire
On your
back,
truck?
Yeah, on the back one again.
Oh, not good.
I gotta put air in it sometime today. And I'm gonna pump it up with my compressor.
That's not good.
Well, Mike, I think you're shit out of luck.